How to hide pictures on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to hide your photos and videos in Android. For that, you'll have to open up your Google Photos and then long press on the photos that you want to hide and then select it, and then there you'll see icons on the bottom. Move to the left, and there on the very end you'll find move to locked folder. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go to collections on the bottom, scroll to the end, and there you'll find locked. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll have to use your fingerprint or your pattern to open the locked folder. And there you go, the photos are here and it is hidden. You can only open it with pattern and no one else can. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.